What a Sunday. Y'all, man, damn. I forgot to tell y'all. Well, I forgot to show y'all. I just sold the truck. Yeah, man. I know, man. The project that was finna go to hell is no longer hell because I no longer have it. I got rid of it. I'm not paying half of what I paid for the truck just to put a lift on it. It's not including tires and everything else I plan on doing for the interior, everything. I need my budget to stay under 10,000. I paid 10,000 for the truck. I need the budget to stay under 10. I'm not paying half the budget just on lifting a car. So I sold it. It's no longer there. But I have some new projects in mind. And I could finally get to work on the box Chevy that I revealed to y'all a while ago. And I plan on getting to that one ASAP, like this week type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm new struts, new racket pinion system. I'm telling you, I want that one. I want to be able to do a full turn in that mug and while going 30, and I know ain't nothing gonna come apart. Everything. So stay tuned, man. I'm just giving y'all a little quick update. Truck gone. Come here. I made the truck go. I made the truck go boom. I can get you balls. I can get you shot. Love when they drop. When you tryna shop. I don't need a clock. I done seen a lot. I done seen a lot. My city got a Glock. I picked a lot. I'm from Little Rock. Don't get dropped. Put it in a box. In another box. I done sent a lot. Mama tell me stop. I took the touch, took a pack. They just got me that whole lot of status. Send 100, make 100. Still stacking, still driving 100. Keep the Glock, I ain't feeling phone. Keep it low, yeah, I ain't coming, mama. He a nigga posing with the bundles. All my bitches flying with the bundles. I need a Glock in the skillet. What different bitch, all mine. They get you feeling little as fuck. 12. I don't give a fuck what them folks did. It's a wreck, leave them alone. Fuck that, leave them folk alone. Wreck not, nigga. Leave them alone, nigga. Let me go and get my ass over here, boy. Not to need to be by these folks. Lord knows, nigga. Anything go wrong, they gonna take me to jail. I seen you looking, gang. You gotta go to jail. I seen you drive by slow. You gotta go to. I post drive by slow as a wreck. Gang, don't take me to jail, please. I got shit to do today. What's up with y'all, man? I'm back. I'm vibing and colliding in the streets. Surviving, provide with the heat. So my cousin finna take his gaming PC to the little store to try to get fixed, man. I'm talking about we been at every Best Buy in the state of Georgia, and they can't help us, bro. I don't know much about the PCs like that, but I know he need something. And we need something. What's the name of that place we're going to? You break, I fix. Gonna see you break.
Put that shit up. Never been funny, bitch, I do the front. Tryna run out pussy, boy, try your luck. I just walk off in that bitch with some stuff. They know the whole gang have an extra. Fiji water, nigga, licking my neck. Blood drinking, nigga, with sipping text. 4 more nigga, they know what I'm reppin'. Hoppin' out Bentley's, boy, this ain't no testing. I'ma do the dance, you cannot catch it. Had my niggas never been in the place. Them niggas, my kids, I don't need murder. I hit your bitch, I ain't need sorry. Don't hit my phone, you ain't talking about. Sold my whole bowl, got a nut. Really poppin', nigga, don't make me pop. Really get it, I'm just being honest. I ain't even in the comments, cause I'ma keep dominant.
Chloe. So I know you're probably wondering why she's wet and all that. Cause it's a warm day outside in the south. And I sprayed her down. Also, I sprayed her because you're on your cycle, you're bleeding. So she's bleeding right now from the tail. She's on her period. Hey girl, it's her first heat. You in your period, mama. It's her first heat. Hey girl, not your heat yet. Your sister's heat. Hey mama. Yeah, Chloe's on her cycle right now. And where would we bring her now? No. Not I.
We don't first heat breeds over here. We don't breed on first heats. Our girls are puppies. We let them be puppies as long as I like them to be. And that might be for a year or two. Another year. So there's a puppy update for you guys. I know you've been wondering. So yeah. First heat. It's going on right now. It's going to pass. Because we're not breeding her right now. Hey, my girl. Well, actually, it's taller than Chloe now. Ain't that crazy? Hey, girl. Hey. You're bigger than your sister now. Hey. Hey. Love y'all. Yeah. First time, I never posted a freestyle on on YouTube. So you watch those videos, you got that exclusive. I fell in love with Glocks and shirts. I fell in love with bars and peas and beans and perks. I put a nigga out deep in the dirt. I fuck up your gang, I know I hurt. I'm on the pot with the I know I do what I do. These niggas bitches, they loose. I need a cow with a roof. Fuck with these bitches, I'm telling the truth. These niggas soft for the tissue. I'm in the trap with the pistol. I'm on the block and center. I was born to be a killer. I was born to be a winner. Yeah. Chainsaw, Jason, backpack, bacon. These niggas, bitches, weak as hell, I take it. Know how I live, you know I'm a star. They know who I am, they know I go far. I take shit too far. I take shit on raw. I'm so soft and hard. I'm so back like Paul. I hit a leg and throw right back to you. They know I'm a killer, they do not question the G. They know I'm the shit, I'm a P. They know I'm a blood off the leash. They know I'm a dog feet. I gotta eat. These nigga bitches know they sweet. Know I'm a beast. I keep a pistol. Know I fell in love with Glocks and shirts. I fell in love with niggas and dirt. I'm in the kitchen with perks. I kinda know how it works. She wanna fuck me, she know I got clout. She said my dick got deep in her mouth. She know I'm a star, know I'm a beast. She know I'm a dog, pussy tree. I get at the table, you know I'm a feast. Throw in my hood, I'm from the east. I'm from the game with I'm in the game with the you know I'm the shit, they know I got a nigga, you know I keep lighters. This is freestyle, you know I ain't biting. I don't fuck with sounds, I don't fuck with crowns. I don't hang with junkies, all my niggas sound, but we don't make a sound. Coming with the rounds, couple hundred bodies pop up, we don't make a round. And we don't talk around, I really just ain't rapping. These niggas capping, whole right acting. Michael Jackson, I saw Michael Jackson. I stole with the passion, I was a dope and passion. I'm in the streets to happen. I'm in the kitchen with rats. I'm in the kitchen with these nigga bitches. I know how they act. Dogo, whipping the pack. Sogo, these nigga bitches. I know how they act. I'm in the kitchen. I fuck with her. I don't know. Exclusive freestyle, y'all. If you watch the whole video, you get exclusive. This is how I be coming.